Thank you. Oh man! Woohoo! Oh, one of them wiped out. Sophia, I'm filming this. Say hello. That was probably Matthew. Oh. Oh, you stink! Oh, no! This is not bumper cars! This is not bumper cars!
Move up a little bit, like right away. No bump. Keep going, keep going. How do you think I ended up working?
You tried to pass her. No, I don't think you should let him go first. I think you should let me go first. No, don't let him go first.
I always wanted to ask a question. Is it hard to videotape it while you're driving?
Yeah, it is.
People, like,
But that's okay. Oh, that's so no! That's so no! Come on, you're getting my... Oh! I'll tell him on my way out. Oh, no!